Georgia here, Farmer of Future organization. This is non-governmental local organization which is working with the United States Department of Agriculture there. We are working for the development of agricultural sector, mainly focusing on the youth development, youth involvement in agricultural sector, and also education. The main thing for us to learn here was the system which incorporates all the three components. This is research, education, and extension.
We will learn how extension system works here, how different levels of the government are involved in provision of extension services, how federal, state and local governments coordinate in funding some extension activities, and it's a great experience for us. At the moment, the extension is exclusively the right of the government. It's central government, regional government. So this is how it's done in Georgia. And now we see different examples here. We are now in the process of studying different alternatives to implement the extension strategy and model.
A link between the government, university and private sector, farmers and youth. So we are going to use all those experience and education and information what we gain from here to somehow adapt to our reality and to support the government to make updated policies, to support university to enhance its capabilities and capacities. So in our understanding, it is also a good tool for youth development. They are working, these vocational educational institutions are working with schools, with universities, involve students in different activities.
The youth are the drivers of innovation, of change, of development. So as in every field, in this field as well, their inclusion is very important. And if we want long-term development, sustainable development, we must ensure that they are included.
This was amazing, and we were so impressed with the environment there internally. We entered to the school, and I would like to have such schools also in our country, and also universities, the education which is here. This is the experience we would like to share also with us.